Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today, I will be talking to you guys about gifting games on the Epic Games Store. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and hear what I have to say. So you can know how to do it yourself and so you can know what you need to know about gifting games on the Epic Games Store. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games guys and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you have on your account and all the games that you can buy in the store. So guys, what we want to do, if you want to buy a game as a gift, let's go ahead and say you found a game that you want to buy. So go ahead and open up the buy page guys. Let's say this is the game right here. Let's say I want to buy this game as a gift. So guys, what I'm going to be doing, let's say that I have opened up this buy now option right here. Let's say I have clicked buy now. And after clicking buy now guys, you can see that there is no option for me to buy this game as a gift. And why is that guys? Well, it's because Epic Games currently does not allow buying games as gifts. And that is guys because they have currently not implemented the option for you to be able to do this. So that guys means that if you want to buy some game as a gift for your friend, then what you have to do is go ahead and log into their account and buy the game from their account. Or you can buy the game on your account and you can lend them the account for them to play on it. But guys, sadly currently Epic Games has not implemented this option and you cannot buy them as birthday presents or something else. So guys, yeah, that's how you do it. You basically can do it. I hope that they will bring this option back in the future, but let's hope for the best. And if you can, ask them to bring this option back by sending them an email. So guys, that's basically what there is about sending games as gifts on the Epic Games Store. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.